In this video, we will demonstrate plugging in and using a TV with your configured and connected QActive system. Your QActive stand mount or tower speaker system must already be configured. Please watch our setup video if you need any help to do this. If your TV has a socket labelled HDMI ARC, which stands for Audio Return Channel as shown, you will need a suitable length HDMI cable, such as this QED Profile eFlex. If your TV is an older model and does not have this socket, then you will need a suitable length optical digital cable, such as this QED Profile Optical. You will also need the QActive remote control paired with the system. If you are using the HDMI ARC connection, simply plug the HDMI cable into this socket on the back of the TV, and then also into the HDMI socket on the QActive hub. If you are using the optical digital connection, simply plug the optical cable into this socket on the back of the TV, and then also into the optical digital socket on the QActive hub. Turn on your TV. If you are using HDMI ARC, then this output will probably need activating from the TV sound settings in the menu. Use the TV remote control to open the settings menu and then select Sound Settings, followed by HDMI ARC as the audio output. You should also select PCM as the sound output type. Once selected, this should switch on the QActive hub, which will play the TV sound. If you are using optical digital, then this output may also need activating from the TV sound settings menu. Navigate to the audio output settings and select SPDIF and also PCM as the sound output type. Once selected, this should switch on the QActive system and play the TV sound. If you are using HDMI ARC, you should find that the TV remote control will operate the QActive system, as well as mute. If you are using optical digital, then you must use the QActive remote control. If you are using HDMI ARC, you will find that the QActive system will switch on and off with the TV. There is sometimes a little delay between the TV switching on and the QActive switching on. This is normal and is due to the data exchange between the two systems. If you are using optical digital, then QActive may also switch on and off with the TV, but occasionally the digital output from the TV remains on, and therefore you must switch the QActive off and on manually using the remote control or the hub button. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.